Yo, it's me, Deadcarpet, and this is Deadcarpet Energy Drink Reviews, and this is my 566th energy drink review video. It's 4:45 p.m., and it's Friday, November 13th, 2015. Yeah, today's Friday the 13th. That's weird. But anyway, 2 days ago, I went to Tulsa, and I went to Big Lots. I found 3 new energy drinks to review from there. One of them I sort of already reviewed before, but they changed the design. And before it was called Original, now it's not called Original. So yeah. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Tornado Energy Storm energy drink. Oh yeah. See, it shows it says Storm, it shows the logo, and it's like a blood or like paint. So the design is definitely different. Here's the old design. The old design is like a more plasticky filling bottle. The new one's like smoother, not as plasticky filling. See, the old one said Original on it. I still have like 2 of these full. I already reviewed this though. The old design. But now it's the new design. I like the new design. Actually, I think I like the old design better. But I like the new design because it's like softer. So yeah. Anyway, at the top it says Tornado Energy. Caffeine, taurine, vitamins, L-carnitine, and guarana. Tornado Energy Storm, 16 fluid ounces, 1 pint, 473 milliliters. Tornado Energy Storm, carbonated energy drink with caffeine, taurine, and vitamins. Tornado Energy Global Function Drinks, produced under the authority of Global Function Drinks. AG Damstrasse 19, 6301 Zug, Switzerland. Caffeine content is 142 milligrams per 16 fluid ounces. Daily caffeine consumption should be limited to approximately 400 milligrams per day from all sources. Consume responsibly, limit to 2 bottles per day. www.gfdrinks.ch. Info US at gfdrinks.ch. Has SKU. Tornado Storm. The double charge of victory and winning. Play like a pro, drink, play, do damage. I recommend for children, pregnant or nursing women, or for those sensitive to caffeine. For best taste, drink by date on bottle. Best served chilled or over ice. It has some recycling stuff and the other ingredients. Nutrition facts: serving size 8 fluid ounces, servings per container 2. Calories 100. Total fat 0 grams, 0%. Sodium 5 milligrams, 1%. Total carbohydrates 25 grams, 10%. Sugars 25 grams. Protein 0 grams. Riboflavin 60%. Niacin 60%. Vitamin B6 60%. Pantothenic acid 50%. So yeah. So basically 120% of those per bottle. Except for pantothenic acid, it's 100%. So yeah. So I'll let you see the bottle. Sorry for my voice sounding different. It was only 50 cents at Big Lots, so it was really cheap. That's sort of hard to see, so I'm sorry. Okay, has a cool design and it's in a bottle, so that's cool. I'm going to shake it up, open it, taste it, and give my review for it. And by the way, I'm wearing 2 shirts today because it's pretty cold this morning, like 30-something degrees. So anyway, hold on a minute. Okay, I opened it. Inside of the lid is black. And has some numbers, 3350. I don't know if that's like a code for anything though. I think it's just a code. But anyway, yeah, it smells like the original one, like the old design of this one. Yeah, it's a Rockstar clone. Yeah. I don't really like Rockstars, like originals or the clones. So, yeah, this is basically the same as the original Tornado energy drink. Can't even remember what score I gave it, because it's been a while. Can't remember how much I said energy-wise and stuff. But yeah, the color, you won't be able to see it because the bottle's black and it makes it look black. But, it's like a goldish brown color, though. My glass that I use sometimes is dirty, so can't really pour it out, but just trust me. It's a Rockstar clone, so you can probably imagine the color. So yeah, and I'm going to taste it. Yeah, it's a Rockstar clone. It's citrusy, bubblegummy. Some people say cotton candy-y. I think it's more like a just bubblegum and citrus taste. Like the, the original bubblegum, like the pink kind. Then plus citrus. Yeah, it's good, but it's not my favorite. I like flavored energy drinks better than like the original flavored ones. But still okay, I guess. Energy-wise, I can't remember what I said before, but so just watch my old review of the Tornado energy drink, and for that score. But as of right now, I'm gonna say energy-wise, lasts probably about 3.5 hours to 5 hours, so it works pretty good. But my score I'm gonna give it as of right now. It could have been a little bit stronger energy-wise. Could have had more caffeine, more of the B vitamins and stuff. But it has a cool design, and it's unique because it's like a bottle. I like the design of it. It's a Rockstar clone, but it's an okay Rockstar clone. My favorite Rockstar clone is the Joker Mad Energy Drink. That one's like really good. It's like smooth and crisp. This is just like watery, sort of, with a little bit of carbonation. So I give the Tornado Energy Storm, I give it an 8 out of 10. It's good, but it could have been better. But, so yeah, you could watch my old review to see if I, did the correct energy-wise and score and stuff. Because I might have messed up, because I haven't watched it in a while. And it's been a while since I did that review. So I'm sorry if it was different. Just whatever. But yeah, they also had 2 other flavors of this, and those are going to be my next 2 reviews. Stay tuned for those reviews. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace out, and bye.